sconces create the most even and flattering lighting for makeup and grooming. Limit sconce lighting to narrower vanities. Side lighting removes unwanted shadows while grooming. Place them no further than 36 to 40 inches apart. Mount sconces up or down depending on location and preference. Use bath bar lights for uniform light distribution. Place sconces at eye level or between 60 and 70 inches from the floor. For multiple mirrors, use multiple lights. Multiple light vanity lights are great for vanities, too wide for sconce lighting. Place the light above the mirror, typically 75 to 80 inches off the floor. Mount bath bar lights above the mirror too. For wider vanities, use 2 vanity lights. Or use multi-light vanity lights that extend the width of the mirror. Mount vanity lights up or down based on location or personal preference. For the most even light distribution, combine a vanity light with sconce lighting on each side.